Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel, and in today's YouTube video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can set up a FAQ on Instagram. So FAQ is a new feature provided by Instagram, and its full form is frequently asked question. So basically what this is you can turn this on if you have a creator account or a business account. If you have a personal account, then it's not going to work. You need to have a business account or a creator account. So first you need to switch your account from personal into a creator or business account. How you guys can do that is click on your profile picture and click on this tree line and click on your setting icon, and you want to go to where it says account, and on account you want to scroll down and click on where it says switch account type and switch into creator account or a business account over here as shown in the option. So I'm already on my business account. So once you're in your business account, you want to click on where it says businesses. You want to click on businesses. Once you're on your businesses, you want to go on your frequently asked questions section over here. Click on this and you want to turn this on first if it is turned off, and after it's turned on you want to click on setup. Now before moving forward, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And yeah, you guys can add up to 4 questions in this FAQ section over here. Now what this section does is, like, once somebody comes to Instagram page and wants to chat with you, it's going to show you these 4 questions which the person can just tap on, and it's going to automatically ask you this question. So it's easy. If you want to start a conversation, you can just set this FAQ, and the person who's trying to chat with you can just click on it and it will ask you the question automatically. So yeah, you can set up questions just like this. So let me set up one question for an example. So let's say, so this is a business account, so I'm gonna ask what's my business type, and I'm gonna click on this tick mark. So whenever somebody tries to chat with me, it's gonna show them this option, what's my business type, and they can click on this and Instagram will automatically ask this question to me, and I can provide them the answer to this question as well. So that's basically how this thing works. It says question will be displayed at the beginning of a chat with your account. As you guys can see, it's also shown over here. So yeah, that's basically how it works. After you add the question which you want, you can just go back and it's basically done. So yeah, that's how it works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.